Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine doing study at home. Welcome to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Golna Bazar, Gorakhpur. This is your subject teacher of maths. So students, take out your maths book, open chapter 11 time. What is the time of the day in which picture write morning, noon or night? Is that clear? So students, look at the first pictures. Sun is rising. This rises means morning. That time morning. So sun, right now morning. Spelling of morning MORNING morning. So student, now next picture. Sun is midi. Midi means noon. It means right means after noon. Yeah, noon. Spelling of noon NOON noon. Now next picture. Sun is rises. East. This it means evening. Yeah, night. Spelling of night NIGST night. Is that clear, students? So student, first exercise. What does Mala do and when? Write the time in two way. First, Mala get up at 6 o'clock. Next, second, she get ready for school by 7 o'clock. Next, third, she come back from at school dash at time 2 o'clock. Next, second, third, she goes to play at dash at time 5 o'clock. Now next day, she finishes her dinner by dash at time 8 o'clock. She goes to bed at dash at time 9 o'clock. Draw the hour and now next day of the week poem. So first day, Monday is the fun-filled day. Off to school to study place. Now second day, Tuesday we read a story book. Minnie is lovely, have a book. Now third day, Wednesday we go to the park. We return before it's dark. Now third day, fourth day, Thursday is our dancing class. We dance to music on the glass. Sixth day, fifth day, Friday, we learn about a new song. Would you like to sing along? Now next Saturday, we learn to spell all the us to very well. Now next Sunday is a day to rest. We are happy, we are blessed. Now next filling the blanks. The third day of the week is Wednesday. Dash Wednesday. Spelling of Wednesday WEDNESDAY Wednesday. Now next day, the day after Sunday is Monday. Spelling of Monday MONDAY Monday. Now next day, the day before Friday is dash Thursday. Spelling of Thursday THURSDAY Thursday. Now next fourth, the day between Monday and Wednesday is dash Tuesday. Spelling of Tuesday TUESDAY Tuesday. Okay. So students, month of the year. There are 12 months in a year. So students, first month January, second month February, third March, fourth April, fifth May, 6th June and 7th July, 8th August, 9th September, 10 October, 11 November and last month December and 12 December. Is that clear, students? So students, now next page, a worksheet. First exercise, write the name of the month. Okay students, so here hint box, fill it the month name. So student, first month January, right January, JANUARY January. Now month before May. So student, now month before May April. Second box, write in April. Spelling April APRIL April. Now Third month between June and August, spelling July. Spelling of July, July, July. Month after October, November. Spelling of November, November. Is that clear, students? Okay, students. Now, chapter 12, money. Spelling of money, MONEY, money. So, students, warm up. Take join in this to correct place to deposit money. Okay, take join this to correct place to deposit money. So students, look here picture, place in correct. Is that clear? Now next, so students, placing in the bank. So student, perfect place is the bank. Is that clear? Now next, counting money. To find the total of notes or coins of the same value, you can multiply 1 plus 1 plus. So student, look here, coin first 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 5 into 1 is equal than 5 rupees. What will you do with notes or coins of different value? First step, start with the highest value notes or coin. So second, add the value. First 10 rupees, 5 coins plus 2 coins plus 1 coins equal than 18. 10 plus 5 plus 2 plus 1 equal than 18. Find the total money in each row. So first 1 to 3 is equal to 3. Second 2 2 2 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Third 5 5 5 5 5. So students, 5 times 5 coins, the 5 multiplied by 5 is equal to 25. Now next 10 10 10 10 10 10. So students, 10 coins of 6 times, so 10 multiplied by 6 is equal to 60 rupees. Is that clear, students? Now next, circle the coins that add up the price of each object. So students, look here, first object kite, rupees, 10 rupee, 10, 2 coins, 5 coins, 10 coins is equal to 15 rupees equal coins. So 10 plus 5 coins is equal to 15 rupees. So second है rock scotch, 17 rupees. So 2 5 plus 10 is equal to, circle the 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees is equal than 17 rupees. Now next, first birthday cap tag 20 rupees. So students, circle the coins 10 to 20 rupees. 10 plus 10, 10 coins 2 times is equal to 20 rupees. Is that clear? Now next picture, ice cream cone tag 20 rupees. So student, look here, coins, circle the 20 rupees. 10 times 2 coins, 10 coins 2 times plus 2 rupees equal than 22 rupees. Is that clear, students? So now next, 50 plus 10 plus 5 is equal to 65. 50 plus 50 plus 10, 5 is equal to 105. 50 plus 20 is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 75. Is that clear, students? So now next, look at the picture of each kind of ice cream, then answer. Priya gives 80 rupees minus 50 for dash. Priya gives 80 rupees minus 50 rupees for dash 30 rupees. Is that clear? Now next, Mahesh gives 10 rupees plus 20 for 20 rupees. Now next, third one, Sana gives 20 rupees plus 30 for 50 rupees. Is that clear, students? So now next, trick the ice cream that cost the most. First, strawberry ones. Okay, students, strawberry cones 50 rupees. Second, ice rolly 20 rupees. Chocobar 30 rupees. Vanilla cake 10 rupees is equal to. Okay, students, thank you. Bye and take care.